Next week I will be posting a video that's going to go along with this one. It's going to be a try on of my costume, makeup for that costume, and hair, all that good stuff, and then pictures. I will be doing that, which was going to be on my Instagram, so go check out my Instagram, guys. I'm getting a little bit more active on there, posting a little bit more, so go definitely check that out, because I was like, I can't really say to go add me on Instagram because I'm not being active, but now I am, so go follow me. I was about to say subscribe, but that was follow, okay? Hey BNG Nation, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I will be doing my Halloween costume reveal, but before that I will be giving y'all my top 5 places or my top 5 stores to go to get your costume. So if you're early, I got some affordable places, and if you're late, then I got some last minute places that you can always find some type of outfit to throw together at, okay? Of course, those last minute options are going to be a little bit more expensive, because of course that's the reason why they're there, because like no one wants to get them because they're way too expensive. Okay, so if you're one of those people that have to spend $60+ on their costume, like, I'm sorry, but you're too bougie for us. You can't sit with us. But yeah, so I'm gonna be trying to help y'all not spend so much on your costume but still look cute, okay? I gotta admit though, last year I did spend $60+ on my outfit, but the reason was because I did shop last minute and I had a specific costume in mind, so I will insert that costume right here. And yeah, I really had a specific costume in mind, and I didn't want to do anything else, and it was actually for work anyways, so I had to have it work appropriate, and I wanted to be creative or cool with it. So yeah, I was a bee last year, and like you saw in the picture, that was my costume, and the costume itself was like $40, and all the accessories together, like the wings itself, was $20. So just with the wings and the costume was already $60, and then that wasn't including like my tights and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it was pretty expensive. Let's go ahead and go into my top 5 things. I wrote them down so I don't forget, because I'm kind of like talking too much. So oh yeah, go check out my channel if you are new. I post every week Friday at 12 p.m. I normally do like lashes. Right now I'm getting really in tune with lashes, but I also do like wig tutorials. Sorry, I did not do a review on this wig, but did I do a review on this? No, I didn't. But this was kind of like one of those, I just saw it and I kind of picked it up type thing, and I wanted to wear it the next day, so I didn't have time to record this wig. But I normally do wig tutorials on hair that I do wear, so definitely consider subscribing if you like that. And I do makeup tutorials, nail tutorials, or anything that you want to see, I will consider on actually doing a video on it. So yeah, and if you are the BNG Nation, hey guys, how you doing? Comment down below and let me know y'all are here, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. Okay, so the first number one thing is the thrift shop, guys. People be sleeping on the thrift shop, and especially right now with the whole pandemic, everybody is kind of scared to go to the thrift shop. But honestly, guys, the thrift shop was the first thing to close down. Like, it was crazy. I remember, like, I was kind of hearing buzz about it, but it wasn't like craziness, and I tried to go to the thrift shop and they were already closed, so, and they weren't accepting anything. So I feel like y'all should be okay with it, but of course take your precautions of washing the clothes before you wear them, all that good stuff. And a lot of thrift stores don't even let people try them on, so things are regulations are starting to get lifted, where like some stores they'll let you try on, even like wig stores, they won't let you try the wig on, but there's like selective places that let you still try it on, and they just take precaution to make sure they're like spraying it with some type of Lysol or something before they put it back on the shelf for other people to try on. But yeah, so thrift stores for sure, okay? And spoiler alert, that's where I got my costume at for this year, and I will be showing y'all again that costume later on in this video. So at the thrift store, like, you can get things for like $10, no more than like $15-20 for a costume, for like a whole costume, not like the accessories or anything, but like the actual piece that like will tell people what you are. $20, guys. Tops. Tops. Anything more than that is not worth it, unless they come with accessories and stuff, and then I'll be like, okay, maybe I'll do this, okay? But if they don't come with accessories and it's just the outfit, I'm sorry, I'm not gonna pay more than $20 at the thrift store. I just say go to your local thrift store. Now the thing with thrift stores is that, again, like, unless they come with the whole like package, like the ears and everything, I wouldn't pay more than $20. But that's the thing, that they don't come with accessories, and you're gonna have to actually go look for accessories. So sometimes thrift stores will like actually package together the accessories to the costumes. So like they'll put all the accessories in one bag, and they'll label it like fairy, dog, cat, whatever the outfit or accessories are. And then now you can go to like multiple thrift stores and see if they have the accessories to whatever costume you ended up getting from the thrift store. So that's a good thing. Now if you don't want to be going to like multiple stores, I understand that. So the next top thing is Uptown Cheapskate. So if you're a thrift store person, you will like Uptown Cheapskate as well. But they are a little bit more pricey, because their threshold of things accepted is very high, so they don't allow a lot of stains or rips or anything on their items that they accept or put out on the floor. So they tend to be a lot more pricier. It's not like super pricey, but like let's say like at a Goodwill it'll be like $3, and then at Uptown Cheapskate it'll be $6, $7, or $8 sometimes. And but you don't have to worry about as many stains or concealed stains type thing on your outfits. So but they have a less collection of Halloween costumes, I noticed, but their things are out there, and they are pretty cute over there too. So that is another one. My third option is like Walmart, Ross, TJ Maxx. They have some really good costumes, like $20, $24, $25 at Walmart. I haven't gone to TJ Maxx, but I hear that they're pretty good too. And Target, I don't know, sometimes they be trying to go a little bit higher, but like no more than $30 I'd say at Target. But definitely Walmart if you're early, because Walmart is normally cleared out pretty close to, the closer you get to Halloween, Walmart starts to get picked over, and you won't be able to find like a whole outfit at Walmart. But if you go right now, like you should be able to find something at Walmart. Let's see. Party City is another one. Party City, they kind of do range around $40 every costume, but normally those costumes do come with like some accessories in that costume, but they do have a wide range of things. I did get a lot of accessories from Party City from my last year's costume, and when I went in there, I'm telling you, I went pretty last minute, like if not the day before Halloween, and they still had tons of outfits or tons of like costumes that you can pick from over there. So that is a very good last minute option to go to, that you will probably find something there. Okay, my last option will be Spirit Halloween. They're normally pop up around Halloween time. They're a good last minute option as well, but they were even picked over when I went to it. I think it'll probably depend on what location you go to, but I think it would probably depend on which location you go to. But they were pretty picked over when I went in there, but I got my costume, the one that I wanted, pretty close to Halloween. I think it was like a week before Halloween or something like that, and that's normally when everybody starts to shop for Halloween costumes, or can figure out if they really want to get a Halloween costume for this year. And because some people don't like celebrate Halloween, so they're not even gonna go, but they might get invited to a party or something like that, and now they want to go get a costume, you know. So I don't know, last year I had a Spirit Halloween like right across the street from me, and they were picked over, so I was like, okay. But again, they had my outfit, so I don't know how picked over they were, or maybe everybody didn't want to be a B. So but I was pretty happy with it. They didn't have my tights in there. They didn't have a lot of things that I wanted for my costume last year, so I did have to go to Party City as well. And I still ended up spending about $60-80, $60, $70 I think. I don't think I spent 80, but yeah. Okay, so those are my top 5 places. Again, the first one, thrift store for sure. Again, that's where I got mine this year because I'm pretty early this year. Top 2, my second one is Uptown Cheapskate, is another resale store, but a little bit more upscale. My third option is Walmart, Ross, and TJ Maxx. They're all kind of around the same price point, but I would prefer Walmart than Ross and TJ Maxx. And then my fourth option is Party City. So definitely go check that out. And the last option is Spirit Halloween. Okay, and that is all for my top 5 places. So now let me go ahead and show you really quick what I am going to be. Okay guys, so any guesses? It's a clown, guys. I'm gonna be a clown, and I got this from the thrift store. $6.99, so $7, guys. Like under $10. Like, don't sleep on the thrift store, okay? Don't sleep on it. Like, they're in style. Just make sure you wash the clothes again, because you don't want to spread anything, but at the same time, I don't think you should be worried that you're gonna get anything from the thrift store. Trust me, like, it was packed when I went in there. Like, I was like, no one's really scared. But yeah, so those are my 5 top places. So that is it for this video. I hope that you liked it. If you did, leave a comment down below, let me know. Any questions, concerns, comments, or like video ideas. I need some more. I got ideas, but I need to record them. So I'm kind of getting low on my backlog right now. But anyways, so remember, next week I will be posting a video that's going to go along with this one. It's going to be a try-on of my costume, makeup for that costume, and hair, all that good stuff, and then pictures. I will be doing that, which was going to be on my Instagram. So go check out my Instagram, guys. I'm getting a little bit more active on there, posting a little bit more. So go definitely check that out, because I was like, I can't really say to go add me on Instagram because I'm not being active, but now I am, so go follow me. I was about to say subscribe, but that was follow. Okay. Alright guys, so I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.